Reading with the side word this. What is this? This is a can. What is this? This is a cage. What is this? This is a clock. What is this? This is a cake. What is this? This is a car. What is this? This is a candle. What is this? This is a cone. What is this? This is a cock. Oh, this is a roaster. Who is this? This is a cook. What is this? This is a caught fish. What is this? This is a music cord. What is this? This is a cord. What is this? This is a cent. What is this? This is a calendar. What is this? This is a cookie. What is this? This is a calculator. What is this? This is a cell. What is this? This is a cocoon. What is this? This is a caterpillar. What is this? This is a collection of animals. What is this? This is a catalog of furniture. What is this? This is a caterpillar. Good job! If you like it, subscribe, like, and share with your friends. so that you'll be notified when new videos come up. See you in the next lesson.